Hi there everyone, this is Janson back with another video on what's on my radar, and I'm looking at Bank Nifty weekly chart right now. We are still at the previous structure looking left, and Bank Nifty was unable to break the previous highs as well. Okay, it tried to break, but the sellers again pushed it down, making it an indecision if you look at the candle over here. Okay, plus we have a pattern as well. Now according to the pattern, it is supposed to do some relief from there. So this is the pattern. Okay, it got over somewhere over here, but again the market pushed it more up, but unable to break the previous highs over here. Now I won't be trading on Bank Nifty until Tuesday or Wednesday. Reason being, we even have a daily closing which is not that great, because if you look at the previous history, how the move has done is like we had a good momentum, and then we were facing that loss of momentum. Again we pushed down, we moved up, and then again we have this loss of momentum, but there is no patterns which is breaking over here. So unable to decide whether it is going to fall down from here or whether it is going to push up. One of the reason is because of the HDFC bank. Now if you look at HDFC, now HDFC has a clear indication over here. Last week I said that if we have a break and close above this structure, this will be a good indication that the HDFC can go further up. All right, let me look at the weekly candle as well. Weekly candle, yeah, we have a break and close above. However, not a great close, but still we cannot avoid these facts. Like it's the normal breakout and a pullback. And if you look at 1 hour time frame, it has been it's just a simple breakout and pullback, right? So usually the market moves in this ebbs and flows, right? And this was the consolidation. Even if there is a consolidation, we usually have this ebbs and flows. So this was the consolidation, and we have the breakout of that, and then a pullback. The same thing which is happening over here, breakout and a pullback. We even got a candle confirmation over here. We had a pattern and everything, which was great. But for the next week, I would be looking at if we have a break and close above this high. That is where I'll be interested in looking for long opportunities. And this is one of the reasons why I'm not looking for entering on the Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty I'm on the bearish side, and HDFC I'm on the bullish side. So both are related as well. So if there is a small movement, HDFC, Bank Nifty can move. A larger part of Bank Nifty is consists of HDFC. So if HDFC is going up, most probably the Bank Nifty also should go up. So that is one of the reasons. So if I have a break and close above this HDFC, then I'll be looking for some long opportunity, as well as for the Bank Nifty as well. And yeah, that's about Bank Nifty and HDFC. Okay, ITC on the daily time frame, we are right at the structure level. Okay, you look left, we have a structure over here, and the ITC has been playing around in that area from quite a long time, right from 16th, 11th of December till this week. So basically, if we have a break and close above this structure level, that is this minus spike over there, if you have a break and close above this structure level, then you can expect the market to go and test probably this at least still 230 flat. That would be a good number. Okay, but we need a break and close above this one. And also I can see some patterns over here. So if I think, no, that may not, yeah, we might have a pattern over here. Let me check. If we go in the weekly time frame, we have a pattern which might end up over in the same area. Let me look at the Fibonacci levels. So yeah, 886. Plus I saw something on the daily time frame as well. So if we have a break and close above this one, then we are in the no man's land. So there are good chances that it can go test this 230 flat level, and probably we might have a butterfly pattern. I usually don't trade on this. I have my reasons. Unless I get a good risk reward on this one, I do not trade much. But there are people who trade on this, so I don't mind drawing. So again, it can get completed at the same level. So probably if it tests there, you can expect a pullback, and then either it can do a small pullback or a larger pullback, because we have different patterns over here. One of the other patterns is over here. So it's a deep Gartley. So I do expect it to come down to 886. So two patterns back to back, if at all, if it reaches this 230 price zone. So in that case, you can expect some reversal from here. Yeah, that is the major thing which I'm seeing on this ITC. HCL Technologies, on the weekly chart, we can see a huge rejection. Now this candle itself is saying that a lot of selling pressure is there, and the nearby support right now is over here. Okay, let's look at the daily time frame as well in order for us to see something. Yeah, we have a small pause over here. Okay, this is a major structure for sure, the one which I have drawn previously, but if this structure can hold, let's see whether we have any reasons for us to say. Yeah, there are patterns over here. So we need a break and close above close below this in order for us to say that it can go to this level. If it, there are chances of going up here. Being a pattern trader, I cannot resist myself but drawing this. So the pattern which I'm saying is over here, somewhere over here, which is lining up over on this one. So probably there are chances that it can just go up from here as well. So depending upon the patterns and the way you trade, you should be knowing this how to handle. Right now it is not a good decision to buy or sell at the moment unless you get a candle confirmation. Once you get the confirmation, then you act accordingly. Until then, do not do anything on this. I already made a plan that if the market breaks and close below this this red zone which I'm going to make, this red zone, then I will not be trading. But if I get a candle confirmation somewhere over here, then I will be looking out for some long opportunities on HCL Technologies. So that's the plan of action for this. Sale right at the structure, it made a rejection and then the market just fell down from there. However, if you look at the daily time frame, there is a gap down over here. So the next day, the candle, we have a higher high, higher close candle. So there are good chances that the market can cover this gap, okay, and then again fall down. So basically what I'm expecting is market to do a little more higher and then go back down. Why I'm expecting it to go back down is one thing, we have a bearish divergence on the daily time frame, so expecting a deeper pullback on this. So if it is a deeper pullback, till where I'm expecting, so if I go to the lower time frame, we have a minor structure over here. Okay, and if at all we can get the market to do this and this, then that will become another pattern opportunity. If not, if it just breaks above this high, then you can look for a good trading opportunity on the long position. But until then, I have no interest in trading on this until the market reaches the points where I want it to reach. Once it reaches there, then I will have some trading strategies uh, to do some trading basically. So yeah, that's about sale. Now let's look at some forex market. Now oil is at a very good level, a very good level in the sense we are right at the structure. If you look left, all right, and we have a small rejection over here. Not a rejection, it's basically an indecision candle. Indecision candle doesn't mean that there are chances it can go down from here. Indecision simply means that it's indecisive basically, but we need to wait for the next candle to confirm for us. But that is for the weekly time frame. Now if you go to the lower time frame, let's take the 4-hour time frame, there might be chances that it can do a pullback till here. And this is the small pause the market has done. So if you draw a Fibonacci from this minor swing to this high, you can see that 50% is lining up right at the structure consolidation over there. So this is a good level for us to target. Yes, obviously it is a counter trend trading, but this much move in oil is good enough. If you can play it in the lower time frame, that's great. If you are on the swing trading as well, if you can go to the lower around 1 hour time frame, multiple pattern opportunities again, but not going to go into that. Again, if we have a if we can get something like a small pause like this, we can go ahead and look for a short position, probably like a parent formation or a flag formation or a wedge formation, anything like any of those sorts. We can always go out for a breakout situation and then take this advantage. Even though you're looking at a counter trend trading, this will be a good opportunity. That is how much, even if you're trying to capture just the 0.5 level, that is from 52 to 48, that is around $4, near to $4. Oh yeah, $3.1. So that is good enough if you're able to capture an oil. Okay, so this is something which I have in my radar. Alright, EURUSD. Last week I said that there are chances that it can do a fall, considering this pattern. We had a loss of momentum, and that is exactly what it has done. Now a very strong bearish candle, but right at this support. So not a great sign that where we can say that it can go and do a pullback till this one. So basically last time what I mentioned is, if you draw a Fibonacci, last time I think I was expecting a pullback till 50%, considering the spike 618, that will be much better. But the thing about this is, since we didn't have a break and close below this spike, I'm expecting the market to do a minor pullbacks. Maybe it might touch the 382 and then do a pullback over here. Not sure about it. We need to wait and watch. But if we can have a pullback on this one, probably around this this spike over here. So if I had to tell that, let's go to the lower time frame. Yeah, if we can come back to these spikes over here, that will be a great trading opportunity for short. Okay, do we have a 1-to-1 trading? Almost. It's not like it always has to reach to that 1-to-1 level, but it's almost approximate level it will be. But yes, if we can have a pullback over here, now this will be a good trading opportunity for short. All right, so that's what I'm looking on EURUSD. There is nothing else to on this one. I do not see any kind of pattern trading as well. probably next week we might see, if we see a better pullback than this, then there might be there might be chances that there will be a chance that it might make some patterns for us to trade. So let's wait and watch. But if it does pull back from here and gives me a reversal signal, then I will go for a short opportunity. That goes without saying. But if it takes out my break stop loss and does a better pullback and gives me a reversal signal, I will again go for a short. Okay, I will only look for a shorting opportunity on this pair until it breaks and close above this high. And that's the plan for Euro USD. All right, dollar Canada. It was we had a good impulse move on the daily time frame, and then we have this particular move again indicating a loss of momentum, and also we have the RSI divergence as well. So again, if we have a break and close above this trend line, then I will look out for a long opportunity. And how much to target on this one? Looking at the structures, this would be the best sign for it to do a relief. Let's take the Fibonacci and see. So yeah, it is right at the 50%, and even if you look even more further left, it has been playing around in that area for quite a long time. So this level looks really good, but we need a break and close above this structure. Once we have that, then yes, we do have a trading opportunity. Until then, we need to wait and watch. So I guess only that much is there for... Oh no, I forgot about gold. Our main one is gold, and gold has been a bad boy from for me last week. A couple of losses, and there are a couple of trades which didn't get triggered from in my favor. So basically I do some pending order trades and it didn't get me filled in. So that was on the 15 minutes. So 15 minutes, you can see quite a lot of pattern trading on this. I don't remember where all I had the pattern trading. There are quite a lot of it. This was one of the trade. This was one of the trade which went in my favor, but it just didn't fill me in. So there I lost the opportunity. Another one is somewhere over here which I lost, and there was another one where I lost on this one. This was a huge fall. So I was having a pending order somewhere over here, I believe. I don't remember. Yeah, here. The 15 minutes. So 15 minutes, it may not make sense. So let's go to the 60 minutes. So 60 minutes, yeah. I was having a pattern trading over here. So the pattern was getting completed somewhere over here. It was a deep Gartley. So I kept my levels in a different place, and it did it took my stop loss and then went in my favor. So again, what is lost is lost. All we can do is go back and look for fresh opportunities. What I want the gold to do is a breakout of the structure. Now it is again playing around the same level of structure because of the spike. Okay, now if you look at the higher time frame, it's struggling to break this lows over here. Okay, we have a strong bearish candle. It doesn't indicate anything. It doesn't indicate that it is going to fall down. I mean, even if it fall down, we do not have a strong confirmation on this one. So there might be chances that it can pull back up from here until where? Minimum till here. Okay, or a better way will be till here. But unless we have a break and close below the structure, I will not be looking for any other shorting opportunity. We're only looking for a long opportunity. Intraday, it's a different case altogether. But unless but for in the higher time frame perspective, I have nothing for gold right now. So intraday, if you're a pattern trader, there are quite a lot of opportunities on this one. And the only thing which I have right now is if the market reaches to this particular zone. Let's see whether this is a pattern. So yeah, this is a pattern, getting right, completing right at the previous structure. There is my arrow. Yeah, completing right at the previous structure. So if it reaches over here, then I will short over here. So by the time I get up and see the market, if it is nearby, then I'll be putting a pending order. So that's what I see in gold right now. So that's all about it for the coming week. If I have any other opportunity and if I find time, I will put that in the YouTube again. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for your time, and have a great week ahead. I'll see you in the next video.